Hi guys, my name is Chris. Today I'm going to be talking to you about creating an extended wireless network. What we're going to try and do is connect using a regular wireless signal, so something you might have at home or at school, and that you connect to using your laptop. We're going to take that signal and send it a few kilometers away to another building, and using a laptop and a regular USB mic like this one, we'll record sound live and then send it back to the radio station where we can rebroadcast that for everybody else to hear over the radio. So in this particular case, we're going to be going to the arena in St. Augustine and send a wireless signal from CJAS to the arena so we can broadcast the hockey games live, send it back to CJAS, and then rebroadcast that through the radio. So we're going to learn about the basics of just creating a regular wireless network. What I have here in front of me is a regular wireless router and a wireless bridge. Both of these kind of look similar, but if we turn them around, you'll see they look quite different. You'll see on any regular wireless router, it looks pretty much the same as this in the back. Most of them have 4 inputs for a computer or a laptop or plugging in pretty much anything you want to have internet connectivity. And then those will all say LAN on them. Then you have a port that says WAN, which you connect directly to your internet service provider. And then obviously you have your power cord input. The difference from this one to our wireless bridge, you'll see has basically I've taken a print server which has a wireless bridge capabilities. So you can plug in a bunch of printers with a USB and have them connect to your router. But we also have one port to connect a computer or a laptop and give that wireless capabilities as well. The reason we don't just use a laptop far away is obviously if you've ever noticed, you go outside the school with a laptop, or if you go outside a house with a wireless network, it's as soon as you walk away from the building you lose connectivity, whereas these have a lot more power to them, and we can take the antenna off, so just by unscrewing the back of it, and what we've done is we've gotten some high-powered, high-gain antennas that we can hook into the back of these. I'll be sending up the wireless bridge. You already have the wireless router at CJAS, and because they look the same, I've taken the liberty of marking arena on the wireless bridge, just so we don't get confused. The first test that we're going to do is we're going to connect the router to the internet and see if we can get the 2 boxes communicating and sending the internet to another device such as a laptop or another computer. What we'll do with this router is taking an Ethernet cable, we can connect this to the internet. So this will be our internet connection. You plug it into the port that says WAN, just like that. If you have another router, for example at the CJAS main office, a good place to test this out, there's another router in there that has the same ports in the back. It doesn't have a wireless antenna, just has the same ports. You can plug the other end of your cord into one of the LAN ports of the router at the CJAS office. So then we'll take our bridge, the wireless bridge, and if we've taken the antennas off, you can put those back on. We don't need the big ones right now. We only need the small ones because we're just going to test it out in the same room. So if you've taken them off, you can put these ones on. They're a little bit tidier to work with. So on our wireless bridge marked arena, we've only got one port in the back, and if you've got a laptop, there's one actually in the studio. You can test it out with that we're not using. So it looks just like this one, or if you have another laptop, take the Ethernet cable, plug it into your laptop, and plug it into there's only one port in the back of the bridge, plug it into that. Then both of them, take your power cord, and in the back of your router, you'll need to plug it in, as well as in the back of the wireless bridge. So once those are both plugged in, the lights will start blinking in the front. It'll take probably about 30 seconds before they start communicating with each other. So just wait a little bit, and then you can open up a browser, so Firefox or Internet Explorer in this, to see if you're getting internet connectivity. If it doesn't work straight away, easiest thing to test it out to make sure there's nothing fishy going on, just unplug one or the other or both. Unplug it and then plug it back in, and then wait another 10, 15, 20 seconds to see if it works again, then open up the browser again. If it doesn't work, I'll be creating some more videos on how to troubleshoot the routers and the bridge. If it does work right away, we can move on to the next section, which is going to be testing out with the wireless extender, the big antennas. We can test it out at the arena to see if we can get our laptop hooked up from a long distance.